Today, I'm going to show you how to create a usable and prop form of Dr.Ubbly's Oblivious Unction to heal wounds and scarring created by thoughts and emotions. Okay, so to create the prop version of our Dr.Ubbly's Oblivious Unction, we will need some styling gel, and I'm using the kind that I can pick up at my local dollar store. It's really cost effective, it's got a really nice consistency, it suspends things, and I'm able to get several potions out of one bottle. A container or cup of some sort, and a spoon for mixing. A container to hold our potion. So I'm actually using this glass one with a screw-on lid. I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby. You could definitely use a recycled container for this. I will also try to put a link in the description to one you can purchase on Amazon that would be similar. And some dark blue food coloring. I am using the gel food coloring, but you could definitely use the liquid kind as well. Okay, so then if we are going to use the usable kind, I actually picked up some Burt's Bees hand salve. I figured it had some healing qualities, which would be similar to what the unction would have. So this is what I'm going to use as my usable kind, but you could also use lotion or like an O'Keefe's Working Hands, anything that's got some healing properties that you think you would want to use it on. That's what we could use for this, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Burt's Bees hand salve. I picked this up at Target, but you can get it almost anywhere that has a pharmacy or a drug section. So I'll put a link in the description down below of where you can get this on Amazon as well. And for both, we will need our labels printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start by making our prop version of the Dr.Ubbly's Oblivious Unction. So to do that, we are going to use our glass container and spoon. You could use a regular cup, bowl, whatever you want to use for mixing, and we're going to squirt a decent amount of our gel into the cup. And now we're going to add some of our dark blue food coloring. Okay, and as you can see, we got a really great color and consistency from our gel. And then all we're going to do is take our container and we are just going to fill it up with the gel. And once we get our container filled up, we're going to go ahead and just cap it up. And we can actually see it through the lid as well. Okay, and then to finish this off, we're just going to add our labels, which, again, I always print my labels on sticker paper. I find it a lot easier than using glue or Mod Podge. And when I cut them out, I like to go around the outside edge with a matching marker, just so it takes away that white harshness, so then that way the label kind of blends right in. And then we will place the back label. And once we have gotten our front and back label on our potion, then the prop is all set. So because they say in the book that Madame Pomfrey applies copious amounts of the Dr.Ubbly's Oblivious Unction onto Ron's scars, I've always pictured it being like a salve or a cream or something like that, and that's why I wanted this to look like a cream or a salve or something that you would end up putting on and rubbing in versus a potion that you would drink. Okay, so now on to the usable version of this, and again, I'm using the Burt's Bees hand salve, and it's brand new, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up because I want to be able to stick my label right over top of theirs, and I don't want it to get in the way of the protective sealing on this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my label that I created that is the same size as the hand salve, and again, I'm just going to peel the backing paper off, and then I'm going to carefully place it over the top of the existing label. And now we will apply the back. And once we get our labels on, there you have it, our Dr.Ubbly's Oblivious Unction in a prop and usable form. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.